according. So this one is how do we split a face and assign different materials within the same wall? What I did is select the wall, I click on split face, and then I created this line. But you can, obviously create other type of divisions like this one. And that will be split in 3 sections. Then we can use the paint option. The paint, as I mentioned, is just painting a particular subdivision of space, but I will try to use it the less as possible because it doesn't follow up as much with the logic of construction. But if it's about painting qualities and so on, that's actually something you can do. Let's just say the red paint I created that's the red paint I did the other day. You can select that, just literally assign a face. Let me go to realistic because otherwise it doesn't show. Let's say, for example, iron, or you can paint that one. Steel, chrome, and he paints that one. Chas, wood, and he paints that one. So I'm like painting. It's painting, quote unquote, but I'm actually assigning materials to particular faces. If you look at that wall, and that's what I'm saying is the problem, the structure is not that it has changed, still gypsum board. So it's a little tricky when it comes to detailing later on. What is applied here? It might be of different thickness, each of these materials, and it will be very confusing later on for detailing. So I would be cautious in the way we're using that split and paint options, okay? Because in floors, it will be exactly the same. You can also say floor. Just going to create a funky floor here at level 1. Oh, what's going on? I don't know. Okay. And I can again select the floor and split. I can select the face, and then I can create lines coming through this. And that's pretty much, this is probably a very good way for floors. If in different rooms you have different materials, no? Again, so you have to do one by one. It's a little, I think, dummy way, but you cut once and then you can split again, but you need to split the face. And I think you can create internal, as long as one cut, you're good to do that. Okay, so now I have a floor with 1, 2, 3 environments that I could potentially paint. Select the element, paint. Let's imagine there's an accent color in the living room in the middle, made of wood. And then it's a cherry wood in the exterior. And then here is like a ceramic tiles or whatever. Okay, we don't have the standard. We can just always select that one. Let's just imagine it's carpet here. Okay. So that's splitting. You can do it from a plan view, probably is better. And to do that, maybe with walls, so you can pick exactly the interior or exterior line of that wall, and then start subdividing the spaces according to different materialities. So that's an easy way to do that for walls and for floors, and obviously for roofs and so on. Does that answer the question, or?
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
Nice.